Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tya Novi Dwi Safitri. My last name is 058. Now I will make a project 2 for subject Basic of Mathematic. Now we will learn about questions regarding proof techniques and problems related to conclusion. Okay, first is a direct proof method. We have statement that proof if P is odd number and Q is even numbers, P squared minus 2Q plus 3 is an even numbers. The answer, P is odd number if P equal to K plus 1 and Q is even number if Q equal to K when K is element of integers. So we will substitute that P with 2K plus 1 and Q with 2K. So we have P square minus 2Q plus 3 equal 2K plus 1 square minus 2.2K plus 3 equal to 4K square plus 4K plus 1 minus 4K plus 3 equal 4K square plus 4 equal 2.2K square plus 2 if n equal to k squared plus 2 when n is element of integers. So we have the result 2n. So it is proven that p squared minus 2k plus 3 is even number. And then number 2, proof by contradiction. We have the statement that proof if 3x plus 7 is even number, then x is odd number. The answer, we prove this statement by contradiction. Suppose that x is even number, x equal to k when k is element of integers. So we will substitute that x with 2k. So we have 3x plus 7 equal 3.2k plus 7 equals 6k plus 7 equals 6k plus 6 plus 1 equal 2.3k plus 3 plus 1 if n equals 3k plus 3 when n is element of integers. So we have the result 2n plus 1 because 3x plus 7 equal to x plus 1, so that x is odd numbers. So we can conclude that is if 3x plus 7 is even numbers, then x is odd numbers by contradiction. So next we will learn about conclusion. So arrange the formal proof of the validity of the argument below using the symbols of proportion. If it rains today, then Anissa uses an umbrella. Anissa doesn't use an umbrella, nor does she wear a hat. Anissa does not wear a hat, so it is not raining today. Okay, the answer. Suppose X is for it's rain today, and Y is for Anissa uses an umbrella, and Z is she wear a hat. So these arguments can be expressed using symbols as follows. So number 1, X implies Y. So this is from the statement 1 that if it's rain today, then Anissa uses an umbrella. This X it's for it's rain today, and implies is for then for conjunction, then is for implies, and Y is for Anissa uses an umbrella. And number 2 is negation of Y or Z. From the statement 2, Anissa doesn't use an umbrella, nor does she wear a hat. that's before. Y is for Anissa using an umbrella, but this is for number 2 is negation of Y. That's because Anissa doesn't use an umbrella. So the negation is for the doesn't or for the doesn't using an umbrella, and uh, nor or we can say or is with these symbols, and Z is for she were ahead, and for number 3, negation of Z. So this is for the statement number 3 is Anissa does not wear a hat. So for Z is she wear a hat, but in this statement number 3, Anissa does not wear a hat. So we can say that negation of Z. So prove the validity of the argument. Number 1, X implies Y, and number 2, negation of Y or Z. Number 3, negation Z. And we have the conclusion that X, it is run today, but for this, we have said that conclusion, so it is not run today. So we have the negation of it's rain today. So we have the negation of Z. And for the first, we use the statement number 2, and we will implication. And we get this Y implies Z. So this is the formula of implication. P implies Q equal negation of P or Q. So the negation can also make with this symbol. And then the next, we will use statement number 1 and number 5 by syllogism, and we have X implies Z. So this is the formula of syllogism. P implies Q and Q implies R. So we have the conclusion that P implies R. And the next, we use statement number 6 and statement number 3 by modus tollens, and we get the conclusion negation of X. So this is the formula of modus tollens. P implies Q and negation of P. So we have the conclusion that negation of P. I'm sorry. This is negation of Q. So we have negation of P. I'm sorry. So we can conclude that the argument is valid. So I think it's that enough. I'm sorry because I have a mistake. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.